Welcome to the Maven Imaging Dental application. Today we're going to actually walk through the process of setting up and taking x-rays using our dental sensor device. When you first get the laptop, it will probably be turned off, but at the top of the Surface Pro there is a button that will actually turn it on. When you're ready to log in, you just swipe up, and then the password is going to be admin, A-D-M-I-N. And then you just hit the enter key. And now we're ready to install the dental sensor and open up the application. So you will see that we have a USB connector, and on the right hand side there will be a place to connect the USB drive into the side of the Surface Pro. Basically, you push that in, and then you will also have a dental sensor device. It's a 2-inch device that is here going to be only on the right hand side. To open up the application, you just go over here and double click on the Voyance. On this particular screen, you have engineer and password. There is no password for this particular application. To be able to start, you will notice down here at the bottom, you have a keyboard. That's going to be your keyboard for entry. So for us to take an emergency x-ray, you have a patient's in, you got him sedated, and you're ready to take an image, you can hit the emergency key down here at the bottom. What the emergency key will do is take you directly in to take an image. To go in and do the dental, you just click on the dental area, as is pointed right here, and you double click on it. Then you find your region on the mouth that you want to take, and click on that, and then you type in what kind of x-rays you want to take. So they're going to list them over here in the thumbnails. Now you're ready to take your Xray x-ray and position the dental sensor in the mouth, and then take your Xray and take the x-rays. Okay? When you're done, you hit the done key. And you're now ready to save them. And we just click here and say okay. And notice that it says downloading images at the bottom. So now you have actually taken a complete x-ray using the emergency process. To be able to take an x-ray by going in here and adding a patient, you click on the tab up at the top. It says add, click on add. Now it takes you into the screen where you add the patient's information. So we're just going to go out here and say, my patient ID is going to be, we'll hit the numbers key. We're going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're going to call this Fluffy. And we're going to say Fluffy Dog. Patient's name, owner's name is going to be Chad. And Hutchison. And we're going to put out here the dog is going to be 3 years old. Okay? We're going to say it's going to be a male. We have the canine, and we can go out here and we select dental. Once again, we select the region, select the body part. Now put the sensor inside the animal's mouth, and you're ready to start. So now if you take a look down at the bottom, you will see a sign that says dental sensor is waiting for exposure. If you do not see that, that means that you have not plugged in your sensor, a USB connector, correctly. And you will see the blue down at the bottom, blue dental sensor. All right. When you're done taking the images, so for example, over here on the right hand side, you have different body parts that you wanted to take. Click on those. When you are done, you just click the word done, then you can say okay. And now notice at the bottom of it says downloading images. When you're ready to exit the application, you just click on the Voyance, click on exit, and say okay. And now you exit out of the application. If you have any questions, feel free to call Maven Imaging at 1-800 949-8015. We also have added the Teamviewer application on here. So if you take a look at Teamviewer, double click on Teamviewer, it will provide the user ID. We have this user ID where we can log into your system as long as you connect to the internet, and we can log into that system. If you do not see that number, I'm not there, then it's not connected to the internet. But if we have any help, if you need any help, you call us up, you give us your ID number, and we can log in and help you with any of your applications and training. Once again, call our tech support at 1-800-949-8015. Thank you and have a great day.